All right, today we're going to do something really cool. We're going to take one of the most common Chinese characters out there and learn it with a simple story. A story so good you'll literally never forget it. You ready?
Okay, so here it is. Our character for today is Ch, and it's pronounced Ch. Now, its meaning is super simple and totally essential. It means to eat. You see this character everywhere, but the real magic isn't just what it means, it's how it's built.
Because, if you look closely, it might just seem like a random collection of strokes, but it's not. Like so many characters, it's actually a tiny, brilliant puzzle. So the real question is, how is it put together? What are its secret ingredients?
So the first step, we're going to break it down. We're going to take this character apart because every single piece tells a part of the story. And once we see them separately, well, that's when the logic behind it all becomes crystal clear.
Check it out. Here are the two pieces. On the left side, we've got this little square, kou. That's pronounced kou, and it means mouth. Simple enough, right? And then on the right side, we have qi, pronounced qi, which means air or even steam.
Okay, hold on a second. Let's just process that. A mouth plus a puff of air. How on earth do those two things combine to mean to eat? I mean, it seems a little random, doesn't it? Well, trust me, it's not. This is where the story really kicks in.
See, the connection here isn't some deep, abstract concept. It's based on a really simple, physical thing that you have probably done a million times without even thinking about it. We call it the hot noodle story, and it is the absolute key to locking this character in your brain forever.
Okay, picture this. A huge, steaming bowl of noodles has just been put right in front of you. It smells amazing, but man, it is piping hot. So what's the very first thing you do? You open your mouth, and boom, there's our first piece, cold. Then, to cool down that perfect first bite, you blow a little puff of air over the noodles. And there it is, our second piece, qi. And only after you've done that can you finally eat.
So you see what's going on here? This character isn't just a symbol. It's a whole sequence of events. The entire logic, the crucial point is, that the act of eating hot food is literally encoded right into the character itself. Mouth plus air equals to eat. It's a perfect little visual formula. And once you see it like that, you can't unsee it. And just like that, you've got a super powerful memory trick. This isn't about rote memorization, just drawing strokes over and over again. Nope. This is about understanding the visual story, which is so much more effective and, let's be honest, a lot more fun. So let's lock this in one last time. To remember true, you just start with the two parts. You've got the mouth, kou, and you've got the air, qi. Then you just bring back that little story. You use your mouth to blow air on your hot food right before you can eat it. That's it. That is the entire recipe. And that's really the power of understanding these building blocks. What looked like a really complex shape just a few minutes ago is now a simple, logical story. From this point on, you've got this one covered. Learning characters this way really changes the game. It makes you realize that so many of them are just these clever little puzzles waiting to be solved. And that leaves us with a pretty great question to think about. Which character's hidden story should we uncover next?